I'm just gonna wait a couple more minutes for a couple more people to join, and then we're gonna get started. We are going to get started in a few minutes. Thank you for joining me on my live. I am going to be showing you how to install lock sprinkles and shells right here. I'm gonna do one on my lock. I'm gonna pull a couple down. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna show you how I make the shells attachable to my locks, and then I'm gonna get off. Sound okay? All right, give you a couple more minutes. Again, I'm gonna be showing you how to put on my lock accessories, and those are the lock sprinkles and the shells combo packs right now on sale on my website, www.glossylocs.com. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with what should I start with, the sprinkle or the shell? Let me know what y'all want to see. The shell. Okay, so what I have here is just the Cory shell, and I just put a rubber band through the top of it. You see that? Right through the top. And so there's a loop on the side. It's just one single rubber band, and I pull it over. It's kind of hard for me to show you guys, but I pull it over, loop it through. There you go. So now I hang this onto my lock. You get what I'm saying? Let me do it again. So this is a shell, and I just have a standard, like the little tiny rubber band. Let me fix it. So I kind of just like fold it in half. Let me get a little bit closer. Fold it in half. Excuse my shaky hands, y'all. And then I just put it through the top of the shell, like so. So now it's all the way through, you see? So it's through the top, okay? And then I just take the rubber band and then I loop it like this. And then I just choose where I want to put it. I have a lot, so I'm gonna probably put it, let me put it on this side. And then I just use the rubber band, like I hold it in place where I want it to go, and then I just rubber band it. And like I said, I don't remove these like when I wash or dye my hair or do nothing like that. So, and I just loop it. I'm trying to go fast, y'all, so I'm not doing it right. But let me slow down. And there it is. And I can put it up or down or wherever. Okay? Simple like that. Now, moving on to the lock sprinkles. These little beads that I have on the ends of my hair. For this one, I'm actually gonna pull a lock down. So here's my lock, okay? And it's closed at the end. So what I have here is a regular needle and thread. So it's a regular needle and thread, and then I just threaded the bead through, and I tied a knot at the end. See that? So it's just a standard needle and the thread. It's not a weaving needle or nothing like that. It's just a standard needle. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna literally sew the sprinkle onto my lock. See? I can't see that good, so I hope I don't stab myself. So I can't see. I'm sewing it. And this takes, like, you know, some patience, perseverance. Then I kind of stick it through the hole, the needle hole again. And then there I have my lock sprinkle. I'll just cut off the little excess. And then there you go. So look out for my little, I will put together like a quick little reel tutorial to like some music just to keep it a little bit more lively and popping. But yes, available now. Order your lock sprinkles and your shells to adorn your crown. Love you. Bye guys.